Here with Gardening Simplified. Today we're going to freeze dry these broccoli stems, and what we're going to do is powder this up, and we're going to make some cream of broccoli soup. So let me get this in the freeze dryer. Okay, the broccoli's all done. Now we took the florets and we went ahead and bagged it. We just got to label them, but we took all the stems, and these are just really easy, so they're going to powder up real easy. What we'll do is powder this up, and we can put it in a jar, and then we'll make some cream of broccoli soup. And here we go. We've got that all condensed down. We've left it a little bit coarse, which gives just a little bit of texture in there when we make our cream of broccoli soup. And being I've got a lot of air, and this might be opened up and closed, and to keep it fresher longer, I put a 400 cc oxygen absorber in this. But now to make some soup. I hope you got some useful information from this video on freeze drying broccoli. I know I did another one earlier on harvesting and freeze drying, but on this particular one I wanted to talk about making you a broccoli powder that you could use like in your soups and such as that. Maybe even broccoli casserole if you want a little extra flavor in there. But anyway, if you want to learn more about the Harvest Right freeze dryer, there's a affiliate link in the bottom. Just click on it. It'll take you over there to give you information on the 3 different sizes that they have. And if you want to see more of my videos, well, just hit that subscribe button. If you aren't already subscribed, hit the bell so you'll be notified. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up and share it. It helps my channel. Happy gardening.